Hi guys, Jeremy here from School of Wok. Welcome to Wok Wednesdays once again. This week it's a recipe from my book Chinese Unchopped. It's crispy duck pancakes with cucumber pickle. Happy Chinese New Year. Just before this week's Wok Wednesday, we've got 1 week to go before we launch our first ever Kickstarter campaign. We love that you love what we do, so this is your chance to get involved. Help us out and pledge away. Right, it's kind of like a quick fix for duck and pancakes. We're using duck breast, not the leg or whole duck. And we're going to blanch it first. It's a classic way, even if you're doing a whole duck. When you blanch a duck, it kind of contracts a little and helps you to then score into it easily. So when you're roasting most sort of Chinese meats, we blanch it first. And what it actually does is it takes out the sort of fatty impurities and that scum that comes off at the top of the water and makes that water sort of slightly murky, slightly grey and bubbly. That is just removing that excess bit of fat before we then salt it and then fry or roast it. So duck breast has had about 3 minutes of blanching. We're going to score this nice and finely on a diagonal, just on the skin, and then turn that and crisscross that scoring. And what we're doing here is just opening up the skin so that I can get the salt into that duck fat. I want to get this skin as crispy as possible. You can see that nice score across there. If you want to get the sides a little, then just open those up too. Make sure every part of this is as crispy as can be. Salt. You need a good amount of salt to bring out that excess moisture from the fat. Give that a good massage through, and immediately you can see that sort of glistening over the top of the skin. So you can see how quickly that salt reacts with the skin and the fat. And the only other thing we're going to sort of flavour this with is a little bit of five spice on the base of your duck. Try not to get it on the skin like I have, but hey, a little bit doesn't matter. So a little bit of five spice on the base. And then we're ready to fry. So my duck breast has been salted nicely. Give it a few minutes, even if you leave it for sort of 10, 15 minutes, just to allow that salt to interact with the fat. And I always sort of give it a good dab, just to get out that excess moisture, get it as crispy as possible. And then skin side down, sort of low heat at the moment. I'm going to bring that heat up so that the fat just starts to sip out of the skin, and then you start to fry it in its own duck fat. Yum. So I like to sort of turn the duck breast around to make sure every part of the skin gets super crispy. And once you've turned that to each side, you can turn it once and then just pour out the excess oil. This is going to go into the oven only for about 3 to 4 minutes, 200 degrees C, just to cook that through. And we're going to take it out, let it rest, and finish off the pancakes and the pickle. Right, so pop it in the oven, 6 to 8 minutes. If you want it on that slightly more medium sort of texture, then the lower, the better. So next up, whilst the duck's cooking, we're going to do a quick cucumber pickle. Now, classically, just cucumber slices is all you need, but this really works. It cuts through the duck. I'm going to start with a few Sichuan peppercorns, not too many, just enough to give a little tingling feeling on your tongue. I'm going to add a little bit of garlic to that, some spring onion, and then your pickling liquid. The main part of your pickling liquid is your Qingqiang black vinegar. Essentially, it's like a vinegar that's made from a black rice husk. A couple of tablespoons of that. I'm going to balance that out with 2 tablespoons of sugar, so you get a nice sweet sour flavour. A pinch of salt, roughly 1/4 teaspoon. And then we've got some light soy sauce for that added sort of savoury flavour. About 1/2 tablespoon will do. And some hot water just to melt that sugar through. Just a tablespoon. Give that a good mix through so you get that nice natural sweet sour flavour. That black vinegar has got a really good, almost sweet, sour, savoury flavour. That's why I love it so much. Just melt that sugar through. And then we're just going to pour that. Oh, I'm definitely not going to the gym enough. Straight over your cucumber. Who needs dumbbells when you've got a pestle and mortar, right? And then straight into the cucumber. Just give it a good mix. And cucumber actually pickles really quickly because it's quite soft for a hard veg. So it only needs a sort of 10-minute pickle really to keep that crunch, get the flavour. Next up, your sauce. We've got some chili garlic sauce, about a teaspoon of that, not too spicy if you can help it. And then your classic plum sauce. So this is the alternative to your sort of hoisin duck pancake. So I've got my chili garlic and plum sauce, a little dash of dark soy sauce, and this will just completely sort of change the colour. And then we're going to add some water to that and just thin that down to sort of dripping consistency. It's a nice colour there. There we go. So my pickle's done, my dribbling sauce. So my pickle's done, my drizzling sauce is ready. Just going to steam my pancakes, and then by that time my duck should have cooked nicely. Look at that. So you do want to leave your meat to sort of rest a little. Give it sort of 2 to 3 minutes just to relax once it's come out of the oven before you start to serve up. And we do that just to make sure that when you're slicing through, you don't get too much sort of blood coming out of it if it is on the medium side. But I've cooked it a little bit further today anyway. So duck pancakes. I mean, you can make your own duck pancakes, but you know, to get them super thin, it's quite difficult. And also, hey, sometimes you've got other things to do in life. Now, it's really, really quite simple. All you need is a plate. You get your pancakes that you can get frozen from a good Chinese supermarket, and then straight into the steamer, full steam, 4 to 5 minutes. Simple as that. Time to serve up the duck. Just turn it skin side down so you get a good sort of chunk of skin. And this is why, for a sort of quick fix on duck and pancakes, I quite like it because you get a nice bit of skin, but a good bit of meat as well. And you can see that 6 minutes has perfectly cooked that to sort of a medium texture. You can hear that crunch. Just turn that over. You can see. Whoa. Now that is making me hungry. Right, time to serve up. So your duck, cucumber pickle, and it really is as simple as that. So, the best part of every video. So we've got our plum sauce. Couple of slices of duck. Notice how I don't even have a plate. I'm just getting stuck in. Fold that up nicely. So simple. Got a good crisp on the skin. A little bit of chili kick, a bit more sweetness, and that punch of sour from the pickle. My version of a simple crispy duck pancake. My version of a simple crispy duck pancakes. So it's a great recipe for Chinese New Year. It's a great recipe for a Chinese New Year starter. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Gong hei fa choi.